welcome to my channel. This is Mancave Brickware. Today I'll be building this. So what I'm gonna do today is to build another version of the Cozier house, another alternate model, and the designer is Brick Artisan. So I built his model before on the previous video, so I'm building his second model, which is called the Cozier house. It's about around 1,500 pieces, and you also need 2 sets and no accessory needed. So I will sort the pieces and do the build. So here's the finished view of the Cozier house. Here's the front. Here's the other side. Here's the back. And here's the other side. So this comes apart in 3 sections. First the rooftop, right there. There's the chimney and the side roof like that. Of course, you see those tiles on the original model, and this is also actually it's hard to open up, and also it's a little bit fragile on the front part. So I'm gonna just leave it like this. And here's the second floor with the interior details. It has 2 beds, 2 for the adults, 1 for the kid, and then it has a lamp right there, a ladder that leads to the attic, and a painting right there, and a stairs and the stairway right there, and there's some glass panels and another painting on the side. Okay. Now for the final floor, it's like this, and I left the doors open on the back, so you got the doors open here, like on the back porch, and also on the front porch, and of course you got the mailbox on the front. It's pretty some nice interior details on the bottom floor as well, like the staircase. You also got a bathroom under the staircase, and the kitchen on the side with a stove top and a eating table in the inside of it. And also on the backyard, you got 2 chairs, table, and snail, I guess. You also got the snail on this rooftop as well. So if you want to do this model stuff, I'll leave a link in the description below. And of course the design is Brick Artisan. And if so, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and leave in the description below what you'd like to see next. And see you on the next video. Bye bye.